going to be showing you guys a quick and easy slime tutorial. Let's get started. First, I add my glue. I suggest using Elmer's glue or Crazy Art glue. I don't know the exact measurements, but I just like to eyeball it. I add about that much. Now, if you'd like, you can add some food coloring. I'm using pink. You can add as much or as little as you want. Now I'm going to add my Sta-Flo. I'm going to add about the capful. And then you can always add more if you'd like. It should start looking very clumpy, and you might think that it doesn't look right, but trust me, it is. Now you're going to go in with your hands. It's going to feel and sound very awkward and weird, but trust me, it's going to turn out great. And if you need to, you can always just add more Sta-Flo. And if yours is a bit sticky and you don't know what to do, just pour a tiny little bit of Sta-Flo into the bowl and then dip your slime into the Sta-Flo. Make sure not to add too much because then you'll overactivate it and then it's not going to be stretchy. When you know it's overactivated is when it turns very stiff and like it breaks very easily and it feels like rubber. And your slime might still be a little sticky, so just keep going in with the Sta-Flo and trust me, it'll be good. And if your slime isn't stretchy and you don't know what to do, then you can add some lotion to it and it'll make it a lot softer and stretchier. So there you have it. There's your very stretchy and very simple slime. Thanks for watching. Bye!